Now, I am going to discuss the present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used for an action or event which began sometime in the past and is still continuing in present. For example, he has been singing for 2 hours. I have been teaching for 10 minutes, like that. This tense is also used for an action already finished. In such cases, the continuity of the action is emphasized as an explanation of something. For example, why are you looking so tired? The answer is, I have been working since morning. So, this is the answer for the question, this one. So, the continuity of the action is emphasized as an explanation of something. In this tense, the verb is used in the first form with ing and has and have been is used before this verb. For example, I have been teaching you for 2 years. Its structures are affirmative, subject plus has or have plus been plus V1 ing plus object, then time reference. For example, she has been dancing. She has been dancing. Here no object is there. She has been dancing for 2 hours. He has been reciting poem for 2 hours, like that. Negative, subject plus has or have plus not been plus V1 ing plus object plus time reference. In negative case, we insert not between has or have and been. Then in the case of interrogative, has or have is used at the beginning or before the subject, then been, then V1 ing, then object, then time reference. Have you been learning your lessons since morning? So this was the present perfect continuous tense. In my next class, I shall be dealing with past tense. And one thing I would like to request you, please do watch my videos properly and comment in the comment box. Thank you.